Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious curry, egg, and potato. This comforting dish is perfect for any meal, offering a rich blend of flavors and textures. We'll start by gathering all our fresh ingredients, ensuring everything is prepped and ready to go. You'll need about 2 large potatoes, 4 to 6 eggs, and a selection of your favorite curry spices. Let's get cooking. Now, let's build that incredible flavor base. Begin by heating about 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add 1 finely chopped onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic, cooking until they are translucent and fragrant, which takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Next, stir in 2 tablespoons of curry powder and 1 teaspoon of turmeric, toasting them for about 30 seconds to release their aromas. This step is crucial for a deeply flavorful curry. With our aromatic base ready, it's time to add the stars of our dish. Introduce about 2 cups of cubed potatoes to the pan, stirring them to coat evenly with the spices. Cook for about 5 to 7 minutes until they start to soften slightly. Then, pour in 1½ cups of coconut milk or water, bringing the mixture to a gentle simmer. Finally, carefully add 4 to 6 hard-boiled eggs, allowing them to absorb all the wonderful flavors. Almost there. Let the curry simmer gently for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the potatoes are perfectly tender and the sauce has thickened to your desired consistency. Taste and adjust the seasoning, adding salt, pepper, or a splash of lime juice for brightness. Garnish your beautiful curry with a generous sprinkle of fresh cilantro. Serve this comforting dish hot with fluffy rice, warm naan bread, or roti for a truly satisfying meal. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.